In this video, we will show you how to delete all promotions in Gmail. To delete all promotions, you can just go to tab promotions here. For example, you can just click on the select here. After that, you can see here, there is 50 conversation on the selected. But in here, you can just skip that. Then you can select all 757 conversation in promotion. Just click this. After that, you can just click delete. After you click delete and click OK, you can see all of promotion will delete it. And you need to wait, okay, until the all promotion is deleted. Okay, we move some content to trust. We'll do the same for any in a few minutes. You can see you need to wait until a few minutes there. And if you want also, you can click settings to hide the promotion. Just click settings and select see all settings. In there, you can set the inbox. You can untick the promotion if you want. Then you will don't see the promotion tab on your inbox like that. Okay, you can click save change. If you can see your inbox now without the promotions, you can also click settings again and select see all settings to restore the promotions. And with that way, you can see the promotion tabs again. Okay, that's all tutorial how to delete all promotion emails in Gmail. Hope this video helpful for you and thanks for watching.